These are the 5 worst business ideas that you can think of to start in 2024. And you want to make sure to stick around for number 1 because that's one that you want to put a red X next to so you never start that business. Like literally, that is horrendous. I don't know who even starts a business like that nowadays in 2024. But anyways, number 5 is car detailing. So car detailing is really price sensitive. Small profits. Like how much are you charging per car? $100 to $150 for a sedan, maybe $150 to $250 for SUV, and maybe $300 for a truck. But how long is it gonna take you, bro? Like 2 to 3 hours minimum. So it's really labor intensive. You have no profits. At the end of the day, you're probably making $40 an hour net profit. Because when you account for travel time, gas, equipment, chemicals, how much are you making? You're not running a business, you have a job. And how do you market your business? Because at that point, you don't have no money to market. So that's a business that I would never start. Number 4 is lawn care. So lawn care is really seasonal. We're talking about lawn care. We're not talking about landscaping because that's a different beast. Landscaping, stick around because that's for another video. But we're talking about lawn care, cutting grass. We're not talking about designs, yards. No. This is cutting grass. So cutting grass is seasonal. So you can expect to stop probably from November all the way to maybe even March. Because in the winter, the grass doesn't grow. It's reality. And then when you do have work in the summer, like in the spring, summer, beginning of fall, you're going to be sweating your ass off. Trust me. Like every time my lawn guy comes out there, I feel bad. Like I bring him water, Gatorade, Powerade, because it's hot as hell, bro. Like, yeah, he got one of those, sitter machines. But once you get up to weedy, bro, like I be seeing him sweat. Like I feel like he's gonna dehydrate. Like it's horrendous, and you're making no money. Like he charged me $45 for a yard. My house is 1,800 square feet, so there's no money to be made. It takes him about 45 minutes. So when you account for gas, the time that it takes him to get here, like bro, you're not making profits. There's no profit there. In reality, like you just work for yourself and maybe make $25 an hour. All right, number 3 is barber. So barber is a really physical demanding job. My barber in particular works 12 hours a day to make probably $250 a day, $300 a day. Bro, if I work 12 hours, I can expect to make a minimum of $1,200 to $1,500. And he's probably making $200 to $250 or $250 to $300. Who knows? I don't know. He charges me $40 a cut and takes him about an hour and a half. So, I mean, a lot of competition. There's barbers anywhere and everywhere. So you must be good and you must not mess up somebody's haircut because after you bring that line back, that dude ain't coming back. That's a fact. You also got licenses and regulations. You got to be licensed or you're, doing it bad. And you also got small profits. There's no money to be made in a barbershop. That's something that I would never do. Plus, I don't like cutting hair. You got to be on people's hair. It's nappy, sketchy, in my opinion, and touching faces because you also got to touch face. You got to cut beard, shave. Yeah, that's not my thing. Number 2 is house cleaning or anything cleaning in general. We're not talking about pressure washing. We're talking about house cleaning, office cleaning, Home Depot cleaning, whatever cleaning you do. That's economic sensitive. So what I think by that is that's a luxury, not a need. So when we're in a recession, people are just gonna go get the mop, get the Swiffer, and clean their own home. So because they're trying to save money. And this is a job that I got in my Facebook neighborhood. I asked for house cleaners. Bro, there's girls that come and clean your house for $100. $100 and it takes them like 3 hours to get the job done. Like, bro, that makes no sense. There's no money to be made. Like, how are y'all making money? How are you buying the chemicals? How are you buying the Swiffers, the mops, the buckets? Bro, like, what? And you also have trust, like you have your client trust. Like clients have to trust you to get you in their house. You don't have any money to market your business because you're not making money. It's physically exhausting. Trust me. My mom used to do it for a little bit and it's exhausting. Like cleaning houses, cleaning toilet, cleaning shit, cleaning people's showers, picking up hair out the floor. That's disgusting for that low amount of money. So make sure you follow and subscribe because the next video I'm going to bring is the 10 most profitable businesses. That one is insane. So you want to make sure to follow for that because those businesses are the best to start nowadays and nobody's talking about them. All right, and number one, my worst hated business. Literally, like when I see one out there, there's no way I can't pass through my head how are they staying afloat? How are they making money? And that is ice cream truck. Yeah, I know. I know. You're probably thinking to yourself, like, yeah, Jorge, how are they making money? Because they're what, charging $1.50 for ice cream? Like riding around sports events, riding around town, putting a little music, ding, 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 ice cream here. Yeah, bro. Like, and then you get investment up front. You gotta buy an ice cream truck. That's probably gonna cost you at least 30 grand, maybe 50 brand new. Who knows? Low margins. When we talk about low margins, we're talking about you must sell at least 150 ice creams a day to make slight profits. And when you account, that's a lot of ice cream you must sell. A lot of driving around. You gotta drive around town, find sports events, baseball games, soccer games, football games, to be able to stand right around. Maybe the kids, maybe the players want some ice creams. And then it's also social media driven. Because how are you gonna do your marketing? You have to get on social media, you have to spend money, and you're not making no money. So yeah, those are the 5 worst businesses that I would never in my broken mind try to start, especially now in 2024. There's way better businesses that you can start, that you can think about starting, that are actually profitable. We're talking about 70-80% profit margins. So make sure you follow for that, and let me know in the comments if you know any other business that sucks or one that you love to start. But yeah, man, y'all have a good one. Subscribe.